In this lecture, we will learn how to move, copy, stretch, rotate, and scale the sketch. Type M for move command. Select move command. We can also select move command from here. Now select the sketch which you want to move. Press enter. Select a point from where you want to move the sketch. Drag the sketch to desired position. Left click. Undo the sketch by Ctrl+Z. Go to move command. Select this circle. Press enter. Select the point and drag it to this position and left click. Again, go to move command. Select this rectangle. Press enter. Select this point and drag it to this position and left click. So this is the move command. Now type copy for copy command. Select copy. We can also select copy command from here. Select this rectangle. Press enter. Now click on mode. Select single to make a single copy of this sketch. Select this point and drag the mouse to make a copy of this sketch. Left click. Undo this sketch by Ctrl+Z. Type copy command. Select this sketch. Press enter. Click on mode and select multiple to create multiple copies of a sketch. Select the point and make multiple copy of the sketch. In this way, we can create a multiple copies of the sketch. Type stretch command. Select stretch. We can also select the stretch command from here. Now select this circle and this line. Press enter. Now drag the mouse to stretch this sketch. Type RO for rotate command. Select rotate. We can also select the rotate command from here. Select this sketch. Press enter. Select the point of rotation. Give 15-degree angle of rotation and press enter. This will rotate the sketch to 15-degree angle from point of rotation. Type scale command. Select scale. We can also select a scale command from here. Now select this 40 mm dia circle. Press enter. Select the point through which you want to scale. Scale it to 0.5 times. Now you can see that this circle is scaled to 0.5 times from 40 mm to 20 mm. So this is the scale command.